Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will talk about in a single quarter a single customer is placed how many orders, okay, or he took how many products, okay. So for that, here you can see this is our orders table, and in this orders table there are customer ID, order ID, product name is available. Now you can see a single customer ID. This is a single customer ID, same customer ID, but he has different order IDs, okay. And this different single order ID has different product name. These two order IDs are same, but product IDs are different. So I want in a single quarter a single customer is placing how many products, taking how many products, okay. So for that I have created a dex calculation. So here you can see calculate, count rows, filter and earlier function I have used. So what filter function is doing? Filter function from this orders table is taking a single customer ID, okay. Then what earlier function is checking? Earlier function is checking is the same customer ID, is came again or not, it's coming repeatedly or not. So here you can see this is our customer ID, right? This is our customer ID, first one, AA10315. Earlier function is checking is this customer ID came before. Yes, this customer ID came before. Again this customer ID came before. Yes, like this earlier function is checking this. If this order ID, if this customer ID is same with this customer ID, then what countrows is doing? Countrows is counting how many times it is happening. Then calculate function is calculating the value, okay. This is the thing. So now here you can see uh, I have taken here you can see some customers came one time, two times, some customer came as 97 times. Here you can see 97. If I click on this customer, this same customer ID will come. If you count here, it will be as 97. Like if I go like 18, here you can see this this particular ID is coming as 18 times, like this, okay. So what I am doing, I am taking this same measure, okay, this same measure, I am taking this same measure as a filter. Here you can see I am taking this same measure as a filter. If I take same measure as a filter, now it is taking 1 to 97. 97 is the highest value, okay. What is the highest time customer came? 97 times. A single customer came highest, what is 97 times. So it is taking 1 to 97. The range is between 1 to 97. Some customers came 5 times, 10 times, and some customer came at the highest level 97 times. So if I click on like 5, okay, now all these customers came 5 times, okay. And if I go quarter wise, quarter 1 some customers came, quarter 2, quarter 4, okay, like this. So but right now I want, here you cannot see, we have to count 1 2 3 4 like this, how many customers are available, how many unique customers are available, I have to count. I do not want that. I want it should be counting how many unique customers is coming with 5 times, okay. How many customers are placing 5 orders in a single quarter, okay. So for that For that, what I have done, I have creating count rows and values function. So values function, what values function is doing, values function is checking distinct values. Okay, checking distinct values and returns a table. Checking distinct values of customer ID, it is returning a single column table, is returning a single column table of customer ID, and on that, from that particular table, I am counting rows. I am counting rows. So if I apply this, if I apply this, so you can see 18 times 18 unique customers, 18 unique customers is placing 5 orders in a single quarter. Got it? 18 unique customers is placing 5 single orders in a single quarter. If I go to, then you can see in quarter 1 no customers is available who placed 2 orders. If I go quarter 2, 1 customer. Okay, if I go quarter 3, again no customer. If I go quarter 4, again you can see 3 customers. 3 customers are placing 2 times orders in a single quarter, and you can see all the details of that customer, customer ID, order ID, and product name. So like this we do in a real-time project also. We calculate like this. Okay, so I think today is enough. So if you like my channel, please subscribe it. If you like my videos, please share it, like it among your friends who want to know about Power BI, and support to my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.